video. I just want to show you how to move the chart from the current sheet to a new sheet. Okay, so this is the chart that we've been doing, and then now we want to move the chart from this actual spreadsheet to a new sheet. Okay, so how do we then do that? Okay, so it's not difficult, it's very easy. We'll just go back to design on the chart tools. Do you see where it's written move chart on the ribbons? You can just quickly click there, then it will show you that this is chart, this is the chart title, this chart 2, and it is under this sheet currently. So now we want to move it into a new sheet, so you will just untick here and tick on the new sheet. If you want to rename it, you can just rename it. I like to keep it as chart 2. Okay, then when you click OK, the chart has now moved from this sheet, but it is on a new sheet like that. I hope you'll be able to move the charts from another one sheet to another sheet. Don't forget to subscribe if you like to see more videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment or leave me any question that you would like me to treat. Okay, thank you.